Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out a vintage mousetrap that was popular in the 1950s through the 1970s. It's known as the WINONA mousetrap. It was first patented by Earl Burwell of Warsaw, Indiana on January 8, 1952. Here we have the earlier version. It's a little different than this later design. It's a standard snap trap with a kill bar and a powerful spring, a lever and back. The newer version here has a wider pedal. To set the trap, they have a round piece of metal. That's where you put the bait. It also holds the lever in back. You pull back the kill bar, that has quite a bit of force, and then hook the lever in front to the pad. The idea is the mouse will smell the bait, come along, step on this, and you got it. That is way more powerful than our modern day snap traps. This seems like a really good design. Now let's go set it up in the chicken coop and see if we can get some mice with this vintage WINONA mousetrap. This vintage WINONA mousetrap from 1952 worked really well. We set it up in the chicken coop and we got a mouse. To remove it, you pull back the kill bar and give it a little flip. This has a very powerful spring. Now I have to be really selective in the footage I show on YouTube, so if you want to see the full sequence of this trap in action, I'll put that on my website. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please consider hitting the button right there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.